Hi friends! Today we are going to draw a baby panda. So let's get started. What we'll do, we're going to draw a oval shaped head like so. And it's slightly slanted. The panda is going to be looking up, slightly looking up and waving with its paw. So we have an oval there, and it does not have to be perfect. And again, it's slightly slanted if you can get that, or it can be straight, whichever way you prefer. And let's go ahead and add its ears. So I'm going to put one ear here, far on the far side of its head, 2 upside down U's on the top of the head. And then from here, we'll draw the eyes. So we'll draw one eye about the middle, down from the middle of the ear, right about here. You'll draw another oval or circular shape, and we'll do another right across from it, an oval circular shape. So it can be a regular circle or it could be an oval shape. And for the inside of the eye, we'll draw two little circles like so. And then from here, we're just going to fill that in like so. It's the fun part for me. Coloring, I love to color. So this is definitely the fun part of the drawing. You just fill it on in like so. And so now what we'll do, we'll fill in the ears. So let's go ahead and draw the nose. Right about here in the center of the eyes, right about here, let's draw a heart for the nose. Cute little heart, little cute heart nose, like that. And you'll fill that in. And then we're gonna put a short straight line right here. And then we're going to curve out each side. Curve this way. And then we're going to curve it the other way for the mouth, for the smile, for the panda's smile. So let's go ahead and draw the body. So what we'll do, coming up right about here, about the middle of its head on the side, right about here, we're going to draw a line up. So you'll put a line up there. And what we'll do is we'll bring it up, and then you'll make sure that's right about the middle of the head. It starts right about the middle. You're going to curve that over. Curve it over. We'll make it a little bit larger. So this is the arm or the paw. We'll curve that some more and start to bring that down towards the bottom of the body. So what we'll do is we're going to bring that line right about here, a little bit past the bottom of the head. We'll draw a line straight across, like so. We'll draw it over. Remember, it's up, over, and down, and then we're going to bring that line to the middle of where the body will be, like so. Up, over, down, and across. And then for the other side, we're going to start that right about here. And then we'll bring that line, you just curve it down. This is going to be the other arm. And we'll bring that line down with a slight curve. And what we'll do is we'll take the end of the line we just finished, bring that down. We're going to connect these two. And we're going to curve it over to connect it to the second arm that we just started drawing, like so. There's one arm and there's the second arm. Well, so what you can do now, we'll just go ahead and start coloring that in. Just like we did the eyes and the ears. Let's go ahead and color that whole part in. What we'll do is we're going to bring a line starting right here, and we'll bring that line right about here, a little bit up from the bottom of that arm. So we're going to start a line on this left side here and take that all the way around to where I just made that dot. So you'll bring a line and we're going to curve it there. So it comes down, it's short. So it comes down and then it starts to curve, and we're going to bring that right over to the other side, like so, for its tummy. And then for the legs, for this leg, you'll bring a line down. And so right about the middle, from the middle of the nose down, we're going to start a line here and bring it around to meet that line, just like that. Now for the other leg, we'll bring a line from here, bringing that down to right about where the bottom of the other leg is, and we'll curve that around and bring it up, like so. And there we have both of the legs, our baby panda. So from here, we'll just color in those legs, and you'll fill that all in. Remember, have fun, be creative. You can add clothes to your panda, you can add a hat, you can add a bow, and have fun and make it your own. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial today. Please give it a like and share it with a friend, and subscribe if you already haven't done so. And until next time, friends.